Hello, I hope that you are doing good. So let's go straight to the problem. So we have a pipeline which is of 100 diameter laid on a slope ground. The question says at a particular point the piezometric head is 20 meters. Also the elevation of the pipe is 6 meters from the datum. It is given that total energy of water is 26 meters, okay? And we have to determine the velocity of water through the pipe. This is a very basic problem, and to understand this, let me just draw a figure for it. So we have a pipeline like this, laid on a slope having diameter 100 mm. So this is our pipe. Also, let me place a datum line. Okay, so this will be our datum line. The question says at a particular point, let's call this point as O. At a particular point O, we have a piezometric head of 20 meters. That means if we insert a piezometer like this at this point, there will be some rise of water. This head, this piezometric head is nothing but equal to the 20 meters, which is given in the question. This is equal to the 20 meters. It is also given that the elevation or the datum head is nothing but the 6 meters. Nothing but the 6 meters. Okay. So we can put the data like this. So we have given diameter of pipe which is equal to 100 mm. Also piezometric head is equals to 20 meters. We have the datum head or the elevation head. Datum head, let's denote it with Z, which is equal to 6 meters. We have total energy head equals to 26 meters. Okay, and we have to determine the velocity of water. Velocity of water, which is to be determined. Basically, this question is based on the concept of Bernoulli's theorem. So what Bernoulli says, as per Bernoulli's theorem, it says total energy head equals to the summation of three parts. One part is pressure head. Plus we have the datum head. Plus velocity head. So let's put the data. Total energy head, it is given as 26 meters equals to pressure head plus datum head. This basically, this pressure head and the datum head is nothing but called the piezometric head. Okay, So then the data will go like pressure head plus datum head is given as 20 meters plus velocity head we can write as v square divided by 2g. Therefore, velocity of water denoted by bv can be written as v is equal to 26 minus 20, okay, multiplied by 2 multiplied by g. G we can write as 9.81 meter per second square. Make sure that you put the units in a proper form. Okay, once you solve this, you will get the answer of 10.85 meter per second. Therefore, velocity of water through the pipe is equals to the 10.85 meter per second. Okay, so if we go back to the options, so option A is the correct option. I hope that this might have solved your problem. Okay, thank you so much.